It's song premiere on Tuesday for December 9th. I'm Stuart Stotts. Dedicate this song to Heather, who is decorating our house, and she's not done yet. She is the queen of Christmas. So thank you for being here. Now the nights are growing long. It's that time of year. Count the days one by one, Christmas time is here. Winter stars rise above, shining bright and clear. Light the candles one by one, Christmas time is here. There's a knock at the door, friends and family near. Welcome them one by one, Christmas time is here. Raise a glass, raise your voice in spirit of good cheer. Sing the songs one by one, Christmas time is here. When the stranger's at your door, you might feel some fear. Welcome them one by one, Christmas time is here. Now the nights are growing long, it's that time of year. Count the days one by one. Christmas time is here. Well, happy holidays, and thank you very much for being here.